Hello guys, and welcome to the most unique Gold Coast Transit series video. This one is riding Disney World's trains. It's going to be a great video, so let's get to it.
Welcome to the Gold Coast Transit series. 3, 2, 1, go!
The first train that we're riding today at Disney is the one and only Disney Monorail from this resort that I stayed at to the Walt Disney Parks, Magic Kingdom. The hotel connects right to the platforms right there. Here we are at the platforms. This is a train going to Magic Kingdom, but we're not going to get on this one. Here we are watching it leave. And then shortly after, here comes our train with a gold and black look. The interiors of the monorail are pretty nice and comfortable, even though they're kind of small and it's not really that private since you're like facing each other. The seats were really comfortable. This is the map of the monorail route that we're taking. We're going from the Polynesian past the Grand Floridian to Magic Kingdom on the solid black line. But the dotted black line only stops at Magic Kingdom and TTC. So we can pretty much call it the express route. The Walt Disney Monorail system is a monorail serving Walt Disney World in Bay Lake, Florida, near Orlando, operated by Disney Transport as part of the resort's public transportation system. It runs 12 Mark VI monorail trains across 3 lines of service and 6 stations in total. Right after leaving, we passed this gray monorail, which was going to go through the Polynesian, since it's on the express line. As you can see here, the monorail seats are very padded and comfortable. Here we are arriving at the Grand Floridian, which means after this, next stop is Magic Kingdom. Also, as of 2016, the Walt Disney World Monorail was the 3rd busiest monorail system globally, carrying over 150,000 passengers daily. It is surpassed by the Chongqing Rail Transit Monorail system in China, where Line 2 and Line 3 combine accommodate more than 900,000 daily passengers, and the Tokyo Monorail line in Japan, which serves over 300,000 daily riders. Here we are starting our initial turn to the Walt Disney Magic Kingdom station. After exiting the monorail station, you can see the steam-powered Walt Disney Railroad station and the trains sitting at the platforms, which we're going to ride later. But first, let's have some fun. Here we are at Fantasyland Station. We were able to sneak on the train before it left. Now obviously, these seats were not as comfortable as the monorail seats, with both less legroom and they were awarded and not cushioned at all.
So what are you doing now? Such a waste of
On this ride, we're taking a full loop past Main Street next to the castle, back to Fantasyland Station. And also, the whistle was sounded many times this ride. Here we are seeing going in the tunnel that is under the Tron roller coaster ride. There's even a little crossing with working lights and a bell. We are arriving to Main Street Station, where we were after we got off the monorail. I got off the train real quick to see a closer look at the leading steam locomotive. Also, another thing that's worse on this train than the monorail is the legroom. Look at this, I can barely fit my hand through. But anyways, here we are back and moving again. And here we are approaching the only A-grade crossing on this route, with bells, lights, and a gate. This crossing only had bells and a gate, but it was better than nothing. Here we are arriving at our second station out of 3 on the route, Frontierland Station. Here we are moving again, but right after the station, there was a very special surprise on the ride. Look, there it is. Did you see it? Let's go back. If you look at the guy's cup, you can see a SEPTA magnet, a commuter rail system in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania that I ride pretty frequently. Check out my other videos for SEPTA. Also, speaking of SEPTA, there's a future video about the SEPTA trolleys coming soon. Updates on my community posts will be available. Here we are back at Fantasyland Station. I'm a rail fan. Of course, I went to the front of the train to see the steam locomotive. This whistle coming up even scared my little brother. You can hear him cry. The steam engine had the all-clear signal from the conductor. The conductor blows a little horn, and then the steam locomotive's whistle does the same thing. And then we can see the engineer releasing the steam engine's brakes and then slowly moving forward. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one, which will actually be tomorrow, a South Florida clip compilation.